Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have also in the browsers today a new version of Google Chrome. So we talked about Firefox 135. Well, Chrome is now at version 133. If you go to the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, help about Google Chrome, you will be updated to 133.0. That's 6943.5354. Depending on what version of operating system you have, Linux, Mac, or Windows. So what's new in Google Chrome? Mostly a few things that are AI driven, first of all, to improve the search capabilities. And in some of the settings, you will see that there's experimental AI history search that is powered by AI. So they're kind of using AI to make searches better if you search within Chrome, and also the different settings and all of that. If you use Chrome on a Android device, it has also a easier way to import your personal data from, say, another device or a Windows, Google Chrome on Windows or so on a PC. And the other features that are added, there's now a new feature, a new energy saving feature called Freeze. So if your computer is in a energy saving mode, or if you just want to have the energy saving modes within Chrome, this will close or freeze, not close, but like really freeze a tab that's unused so that it doesn't use energy, doesn't use resources. So this is kind of an improved new way of doing sleeping tabs, basically, to save energy. For the rest, it's mostly dev or developer features, but there's a lot of security fixes, 12 total. And in those 12, well, of course, there's standards. V8 scripting engine has some issues. There's the extensions API that has a security flaw that is fixed. There's quite a few other things in there, including Skia, which is the text rendering engine. Several high severity and, of course, moderate severity. So even if you don't really care about new features, you should update your Google Chrome browser for security purposes. It's your first line of defense, and it keeps you safe. Of course, that also means that for the week, the other browsers will have updates at some point. So check your Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, Edge browsers for possible updates as soon as possible, at least for the security fixes that will be in here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.